Hello, welcome or welcome back. Did you know that Google Gemini now lets you create music? So let me show you this. So just to get to Gemini, if you're not familiar, it's gemini.google.com. And then you get to this Gemini app. This is on the computer. This also works on your phone, but I'll just do it on the computer. And from this main screen, if you now go to Tools, you have this Create Music option. Definitely wasn't there before. And this is their Lyria 3 model that they've had music generation models for a while, but they've mostly been available on Vertex AI, which is a different platform. Anyway, once you select the Create Music, you can do tracks that are up to about 30 seconds. And you can go through these existing options here, and it's basically your starting point, and you pick one of them, and then you remix it. So let me turn this on so you can hear it. So let's say I want to do 8-bit, so it's like old school, like video games. And let me play this, play a little bit of this. Okay, so that's what you start with. And then, so let's say I want to pick that one. Again, you can go through all the rest of them and listen to your starting point, but you go in there, and then I will say that prompts for music can get pretty complicated. I'll do a separate video that goes through like all the different components of a music generation prompt. I know that a lot of people don't really care about all the details and they just want to kind of get in here and play around quickly. So I'm just going to show you kind of the quick way to get in here. And then again, if you're interested, there'll be a separate video with kind of the details. But come in here, pick whichever one you want to start with, and then just give it some kind of prompt, some kind of description of what you want to do. So let me think for a second. So again, basic prompt for music generation, but just to show you what's possible, I just wanted to remix the Super Mario Brothers 3 song from Nintendo, if you're old enough to remember that. And we submit, and these can take a minute. Like it's doing a lot of stuff behind the scenes. So these can take a few minutes. I will likely pause this or edit out kind of all the however long this takes, and then I will come back when this is done. No, actually, I don't have to edit it. So that actually finished really quickly. So we're here. It has, the other part of this is it actually gives you like, I don't know, like album art, basically. So this is the art that it came up with, which let's see for how long that took. That's actually not that bad. So let me put that back on and let me play this. I mean, that's not terrible. I mean, for how long that took, and I didn't edit that, so that took, I don't know, however long that was, like, what's that, 20, 25 seconds maybe? Maybe you don't like it, and then you can come back and then do a follow-up prompt. I'm like, no, that doesn't sound like Super Mario Brothers 3. That sounds like Super Mario Brothers 2, or whatever it is. Like, if you didn't like some part of it, you can give it basically a better prompt. But I think it's definitely a new capability for a lot of people. And again, that was 30 seconds. So, I mean, you can take that as is, you can work it into, a longer video or do something else. There's a ton of stuff you can do. And then it's like, if you combine that with other capabilities in here, like the image generation, just other things. You can video generation. You can start to put together just really just interesting creations. But if that's interesting, again, gemini.google.com, and then you go under tools, you select create music, you select a track to start with, and then you put in your instructions on how you want to remix that track. Takes a couple seconds to a couple minutes, and it'll give you up to about a 30-second audio track. Try it out, see what you think. See you next time.